Hi, my name is Courtney and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an RV tour, but it's in the middle of my renovation. So I wanted to have a video of what it looks like now. And then whenever I'm done, I'm going to have a video of the final product. When I got this RV, it was white, like a mint green and brown, and I just didn't really like the colors very much, so I knew I was gonna repaint it anyway. And it also had carpet, and I do not like carpet at all, so the first day of renovations I pulled the carpet out and I'm gonna be putting hardwood floors down. When you first come into the motorhome, this is what you see. This is like the living room. This couch actually pulls out into a bed. This chair was mounted right there, but I took it out because I need to find the proper tools to pull that out, because all I have is a screwdriver, an X-Acto knife, and some like paint stuff. Here is the front, and I plan on getting seat covers and a new steering wheel cover and shampooing and vacuuming this section to make it look nicer. This carpet is what I pulled up today. It was here, but I couldn't get to it because the chair was in the way. So that's that. Up here, I could put a bed up here. I'm not sure if I'm going to sleep here or if I'm going to sleep in the back. But if I sleep in the back, I'm just going to leave this open. And then if I have guests or something, they can always sleep up here. There is some stuff that needs to be fixed here, but all of the ceiling and things like that are going to be replaced. So here are some overhead cabinets. These don't have doors to them, but the last one does, and the door is actually in the back. I will show you in just a second. So those are actually the doors that are back there. Like I said, this couch can let out into a bed, but I plan on replacing this to for something smaller because it is just me. There are two holes right here, and they are for the legs of the table. So if you look under there, you can see the legs, and then the table goes on top. I have two floor vents here, And I know since this is particle board, I'm going to take this out and get some plywood and put floors on top of that. So we're going to make our way to the kitchen. And this is like my sink. I have a microwave. And then I have a 3-burner stove, which is great. A 3-burner stove and an oven in here. Here's my sink. I have a 2-sided sink. Here's some more storage. And the door for under the sink is in the back as well. Here is my freezer and refrigerator. And the door to this bottom part is in the back. Here is my bathroom. It's not a wet room, but I haven't decided if I want to make it a wet room or not. So I have a mirror and a sink and a vent at the top. On this side is my pantry. The door to my pantry was at the top and like the beginning of the video. And here is my mirror on my bathroom door. The reason why I don't know if I'm going to make the bathroom into a wet room is because this is where the shower was before, but the guy that I bought it from took it out to build some more storage. So this whole thing from here over is empty. It's for storage, but I'm probably going to cut it to put the shower right there. And then on the same as this side, this whole thing is storage, but it has my water tank, my water heater, and like some electrical stuff in there. And these are all the doors to in the kitchen. And then these 2 doors are for my closet. There's some overhead storage as well, and that's a window. This window was covered by this because that's where he had mounted his TV. But I don't want a TV because I have my iPad and my laptop. Like I can watch things on there, and I don't really watch TV very much. So I didn't feel like there was a need for a TV. So here is my closet. And like I said, the doors are on the other side. And here are the drawers. If you notice, none of my drawers have like the handles because they're all up there. I'm going to probably spray paint them, or I'm gonna get new ones. I don't know yet. So now that I've showed you my place, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the final product and everything in between.